How to export multiple subtitles with one click in Premiere Pro. To begin, I created some sequences and auto-generated subtitles for them, and I want to export subtitles for all of them at once. The way to export subtitle for one of the sequences is to double-click on the sequence to open it. Then in the text panel, click on the three dots button and choose Export to SRT file. Here set location and file name and click on Save button. Now we exported the subtitle for that sequence, but I want to export subtitles for all the sequences. From Edit menu, select Keyboard Shortcuts. Search for Captions and add a keyboard shortcut for Caption under File and Export. Here I press Shift+N and click OK. Now hold down the Shift key and select the sequences you want. Then press Shift+N. And just click OK. Set the location, leave the file name as it is, and click Save. And now subtitles for all those sequences are exported here. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.